Hey, did it rain today? Or it rained yesterday? Or will it rain tomorrow? Rain is important. Clouds make rain. Rain today, rain tomorrow, rain everywhere. Rain gives us rainy season. Rain gives life to plants. Farmers need rain. Rain washes away the dust. Rain cools the environment. Rain fills the lakes. Rain makes rivers and streams. Rain, rain, rain. Animals need water for drinking. Animals need water from rain. Rain, rain, rain. Rain fills our tanks. We use water from the tanks at home. Rain, rain, rain. Rain is good. Rain, rain, rain. Rain is important. Rain is good. Thank you. Bye-bye.